So guaranteed returns from equity mutual funds. Boom. So that is the expression that we used to hear and see from the mutual fund investors. Because there is an old saying that mutual fund cannot be guaranteed. But my dear friends, the old notion is wrong. You can get good amount of returns that's also guaranteed from equity mutual funds. And I am going to show you in this video the best technique, the best mutual fund strategy for next year, for 2020. And in this strategy, I am going to show you how your capital will be secured. It will be 100% safe. Plus you are getting good amount of returns from the equity mutual funds. And if you have time, if you have some money to invest, I'll show you. If you invest 5 lakh rupees, you can grow your 5 lakh rupees to more than 3 crores. So that is the power of this strategy. So let me show you the strategy.
But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856.
So friends, what will we do? How we can keep our capital secured? How can we make sure that our capital is not going to be down? Because mutual funds is uncertain, the market is uncertain, equity market is uncertain. So if you invest 5 lakhs rupees now and tomorrow something happens to the market, your capital will go down. But there is a technique. So what will we do? We will invest our 5 lakh rupees to a fixed deposit. So plain and simple. We are going to invest in a fixed deposit and this fixed deposit will be secured. Anyhow, we are going to make 7% returns per year. So no one can deny that 7% return. So we are going to make 7% returns and I am happy with that. And fixed deposits are taxable. So whatever tax bracket you are in, you need to pay tax on that. So I am also okay with that. Suppose you are in 20% tax bracket. So whatever returns you are getting from your fixed deposit, you are going to pay 20% tax from that. And we are going to take monthly payouts. So monthly whatever amount we are getting after deducting the tax, whatever net amount we are having, we will invest in a equity mutual fund. So we will do a SIP in an equity mutual fund. So that is the strategy. So our capital is going to be secured. No one can deny of that capital. That will be 100% safe. And still we are going to make huge returns from the equity mutual fund because the returns that we are getting from the fixed deposit, that we are going to invest in the mutual funds. And if you have time, I will show you, you can make 5 lakh rupees investment to more than 3 crores. If you do not have time also, then also you are going to make 20 lakhs to 40 lakhs rupees from your 5 lakhs rupees investment. So that is the strategy. So now let me prove it.
So my dear friends, let us start with 5 lakh capital. So our investment is 5 lakhs of rupees. Now we will invest it in a fixed deposit. So this is a fixed deposit calculator that I am showing. So now let us go to next and let us select the monthly payout. So from this fixed deposit we will take monthly payout. Go next and suppose the deposit term is 1 year. Let us consider 1 year first, but actually we are renewing our deposit year after year. So 1 year deposit term is 1 year and we are calculating the annual rate of interest, that is 7%. Now calculate. So my dear friends, we are seeing that the investment amount is 5 lakhs and the interest earned in the 1 year, that is 33,184 rupees. So that is our maturity amount will be 5 lakhs plus this amount. So 33,184 rupees we are getting in the 1 year. So let us now check how much we are making per month. So let us open a calculator. So I am roughly taking it as 33,000 rupees and we are dividing it by 12. So you see, we are getting 2750 rupees per month. Now this is taxable. So now we need to consider the income tax now. So if we deduct 20% income tax, so suppose we are on the 20% bracket, so we are deducting 20% income tax. So that means 80% we are having for investing in the equity mutual fund. So now let us multiply it by 0.8. So we will get the 80% value. So friends, check that this is 2200 rupees. So this 2200 rupees is net. So you need not to pay any income tax from this because you have already calculated the tax. And now this will be invested in a equity mutual fund. So now this is a SIP calculator. So we will be investing this 2200 rupees here. And suppose our investment period is 15. Now this investment period can vary. Suppose your age is 25 years. So whenever you are 25, if you invest 5 lakh rupees and if you invest for 35 years, you are getting a gigantic return. But say your age is 45 years. So you are going to invest for 15 years because you will need money at 60 years of age. So you will be investing only for 15 years. So we will check how much return we will get in different years. If you are investing it for 15 years, how much return you will get? If you are investing it for 20 years, how much return you will get? And so on. So expected annual return percentage is 15. So I am taking it as 15 because in general equity mutual funds gives you 15% return. So I am clicking on calculate and you can see you have got the output here. So if we invest 2200 monthly for 15 years, our capital is growing to 14.9 lakhs. So that means it is roughly around 15 lakhs. So from 2200, from the interest part only, we are getting 15 lakhs. Now we already have our capital intact, that is 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs is actually becoming 5 lakhs plus 15 lakhs, that is 20 lakhs. 5 lakhs we are having plus 15 lakhs that we are getting from the SIP equal to 20 lakhs. Now if you can give some more time, in 20 years if you invest 2200 per month, it is growing to 33.4 lakhs. So if we add 5 lakhs plus 33 lakhs, that is 38 lakhs. So in 20 years, your 5 lakhs will grow to 38 lakhs. That is also risk free. You are not going to make any kind of loss. Your capital is not going down anyway. And if you can give some more time, 25 years, your capital is growing to 72.2 lakhs. So if we add 5 lakhs plus 72 lakhs, it is coming to 77 lakhs. So the same 5 lakhs, it is not going down. You are not going to make any kind of loss. Still you are making 77 lakhs. Now my dear friends, if you can invest for long term, I have told about the people who can invest for 30 years or 35 years. Now my dear friends, you can see that 2200 per month can give you 3.3 crores in 35 years. So that is huge. So your 5 lakhs can grow to 3.3 crores if you have time. That means give time to your investment and your investment is 100% safe. No fear of losing money. Even in this equity mutual fund, if the market goes down also, you are not going to make any kind of loss. And in the SIP, in the long run, you will make good amount of money. That is the power of this system.
So my dear friends, I have shown you how you can grow your wealth to a gigantic return. You can make your 5 lakhs rupees to more than 3 crores if you have time. So my suggestion is start investing early. If you can start investing from 25 years, you are going to make more than 3 crores whenever you are retiring. Because at the age of 60 years, you are going to take the money. So that time you are having more than 3.3 crores. If you do not have that much time, then also you are not going to lose your capital. You are going to make a safe return of 20 lakhs to 40 lakhs from just 5 lakh rupees. So this is going to be the best mutual fund strategy for 2020. This is a zero loss investment strategy. Start implementing it in next year and do not forget to comment below this video.
So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.